Amidst the chaos of the world, the daily demands, the external expectations, and the internal battles, a question echoes in the minds of those who seek true peace. How can we find serenity in a world that never stops screaming? Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, lived amidst wars, betrayals, and diseases. And yet he left us a manual of tranquility that has survived for over 1800 years. In this video, we will delve into the teachings of Marcus Aurelius and reveal how you can finally find serenity, not outside, but within yourself. Marcus Aurelius did not write for the public. His words were not political speeches or advice for the people. They were intimate thoughts, notes to himself, recorded in a diary that today we know as meditations. In this book, he faces his own doubts, anxieties, and weaknesses, and that is exactly why his words have so much power. He was not a distant guru, but a man who struggled daily with his own anger, pride, fear, and anxiety. And the secret to serenity that he discovered: accepting what you cannot control and acting with excellence on what is in your hands. One of the most powerful phrases that Marco wrote was, "You have power over your mind, not over external events." Realize this, and you will find strength. In this simple idea lies the key to Stoic serenity. Instead of wasting energy trying to change what is outside, people's behavior, the crises of the world, life's surprises, he invites us to look within and cultivate mastery over our thoughts, reactions, and judgments. Because true freedom, according to him, begins when we learn not to be slaves to circumstances. Marco also warns us about time. For him, life is short, and wasting time with distractions or useless worries is a form of disrespect for existence. He writes, "Stop arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." This phrase is not just a philosophical provocation, it is a call to action. Serenity, for Marcus Aurelius, was not about standing still and waiting for peace to fall from the sky. It was about acting with virtue, courage, and wisdom, even in the midst of a storm. Tranquility comes from the awareness that you are doing your best, here and now, with what depends on you. But Marcus Aurelius also knew that life is not made up of certainties alone. The impermanence of things, health, success, love, even life itself, was a constant theme in his reflections. And far from despairing, he invites us to accept this impermanence as part of nature. Everything that happens is natural, he said, not in the sense of accepting pain, but of understanding it as part of the whole. Serenity comes when we stop fighting reality and start working with it, with acceptance and purpose. At the end of the day, Marcus Aurelius doesn't offer us magic formulas or empty promises. He offers us practice, self-control, clarity, the ability to take a deep breath in the face of chaos and choose reason over impulse, choose balance over anger, choose virtue over revenge. For him, serenity is not the absence of conflict. It is the daily decision to be greater than the conflict. And if you start putting these principles into practice today, even in the smallest gestures, you will be walking the same path that this emperor walked, the firm, honest, and powerful path towards true serenity.